Okay, so welcome back, and now we have another example, and we're going to go from percents to decimals. So now I'm going to do some examples. I'm going to show you how to go from percents to decimals. So if you remember, going from decimals to percents, all we did was multiply by 100%. Well, guess what? To go from a percent to a decimal, all we have to do is divide by 100%. Okay? So in other words, we're going to just move the decimal point to the left 2 decimal places. Okay? Which is effectively what happens. And then you drop the percent sign, right? Because you're dividing by 100%, the percentages cancel out and you end up with a decimal, okay? So, this is going to equal what? To change this to a decimal, or what we're going to do is just divide this by 100%. So it's going to be 50 divided by 100, which equals what? 0.5. And then effectively, all you have to do is just move the decimal point 2 spaces to the right and then drop the percent. Okay? So in this case here, again, I'm going to put this as 6 divided by 100, which means I'm going to move the decimal point to the left 2 decimal places. So this is going to be 0.06. Likewise here, I'm just going to move the decimal point to the left 2 places and then drop the percent sign. So this 0.2% will become 0.002. Now 8.5%, now notice it's a mixed number. So we want to change this to a decimal, change this into a decimal percentage. Okay, so I want to change this to a decimal. So this would be equal to, first I'm going to write it as 8.5%. Okay, now that it's in a decimal, now I can go ahead and move the decimal point to the left 2 places, right? Because what I'm doing is I'm dividing by 100%. And so if I move the decimal point to the left, I get 0.085. And finally, if I have 100%, well, again, I'm going to take the decimal, right? So the decimal's here at the end. I'm going to move it to the left 2 decimal places, 2 place values, and I'm going to get 1. And so 100% is the same as just 1. Just like 200% is equal to 2. And 300% is equal to 3, right? Or if I say, hey, I want to change 150% to a decimal, well, that's going to equal 1.5, 1.5. Okay? And that's it. That's how you do it. Have a great day.